Hey, I just want to personally thank everyone who entered my BeautyCon giveaway because I got a few new followers. So I just want to say hey to my new followers. Thank you. Suggest these videos to your friends and my website, and subscribe to the red button below. So today we're gonna discuss how I add on my extensions. As you guys see, I do have multiple jobs. Legit wear a bun most of my time at the day job, and at night I put on this glam look. As you could tell, I already prepped my makeup, and I put on extensions. My coworker at my night job actually gifted me Kylie Jenner extensions, which is the infamous teal ombre dyed, as you could tell here. And I want to give my friend in Florida a special shout out, Jennifer, for requesting this video like hella long ago. I know I'm super late. Along with taking the request of how I add on my extensions, I am gonna also tell you how I treat these extensions. Right now they're a little ratchet, so I am gonna do some tender loving care with Kenra. And again, if you have been following me, I have been using their products in the past. Kenra Professional Snail Anti-Aging Shampoo and Conditioner. The Snail CC Cream. The CC Cream fights all 10 signs of anti-aging hair. Next, we have the Shaping Spray, which is alcohol-free. And last but not least, we have the Heat Block Spray, which is great for flat irons and curly irons. So let's get to the magic, okay guys? I'm doing one run through again, even though I brushed it while conditioned, but I just like things smooth. So I'm grabbing my small contour brush and brushing it through. And now I actually lightly spray with the high hold heat protecting spray. I hold it and I just gently do one spray. You see? So now time to flat iron. I really wish I could say what number I am using this heating flat iron, what brand it is, but as you could tell, it's unbranded. I am borrowing it from my friend because sadly my flat iron gave out on me. So I'm taking the corner of my extensions, as you could tell here. This is a 4-piece, and I'm going to do as much as I can because my time, as always, is limited. When you sectioning off your hair, it's like sectioning off the extensions. And I'll just repeat. Keep repeating until it looks like this. A comb to section. I usually use a clip, but right now, have you ever had the case of you can't find anything in your apartment? Well, I'm going through that. So instead of a clip, I'm gonna use the scrunchie. You can see that my hair is straightened. I'm going to use the Snail CC Cream from Kenra. Comes in this really nice, and I'm using it for my ends here. As you can tell, especially with the heat and humidity, it frizzes up. This is my secret for keeping it down. The thing is, I did for my hair, I will do for the extensions. So I'll just use here, and honestly needed for the okay? And if you have the single ones for the ends, that's good too. I just haven't had time to straighten it, so I'm gonna just go with the 4, 3, and 2 clip. and go all the way to the corners here. And you want to pull it to make sure it doesn't fall off either. Okay, you see? Easy. So I'm gonna keep sectioning it and then I'm gonna show you the complete look, okay? And the key is to find where to blend. As you can see, natural. And then I just rub my hair and then tuck. Tuck is key. And then when I'm done, I'm using that extra firm spray and I make sure to use it on my ends, as you can see, so it can blend in together. Until next time, bye, chica.